Well, for the first time ever, I'm actually using field 2 today. This is coming in at a solid 20, slightly dropping down to a 19. So let's have a look together what this is. Dug 3 other targets before this, and hey presto, we have a coin. Lovely jubbly, and it is, who's it gonna be? I'm not sure if we're going to be able to tell, but my suspicions are Victoria. Yeah, I think it is an 18. But yeah, first coin. 3 other targets that I've dug so far. That was one. Where is it? Bit of foil, and there was a little bronze thing, and I can't find it in my bag at the moment. But yeah, all these items came in at like a 14. So I was chuffed to bits now to find the coin. So happy days. See you on the next haul. Okay, next target, tiniest of buckles. That came in at a solid 15. That wasn't budging. Okay, see you on the next. Unfortunately, the next target is nothing exciting, just a bit of lead. More for the scrap pile. Okay, listen to this target. I'm getting 22, 25, 26. And so far, it's the sweetest tone I've had in the, well, I think I've only been out about 40 minutes. And I was just thinking to myself that I was only talking to Mark last week or the week before, how it's odd how the big silver coins seem to dry up, and I haven't had a big, something like a florin or something, oh blimey, probably for about 3 years. So wouldn't it be nice to find a big silver? Oh well, not to be. Oh, it's just a normal D buckle, unfortunately, but wow, what a lovely tone. Ah well, just another D buckle, but God, they gave off a good signal. This is a first for me. I see a lot of these getting dug in America, but it seems to be one of those wick lanterns part, where the wick comes through there, and then you'd have a little pulley wheel to like a paraffin lamp. But yeah, okay, it's very fragile, falling apart, but yeah, it's a first for me. Wow, a day of buckles today. I think that's buckle number 4 now. But wow, the signal 28-29, right high squeaker. In your own mind, you're telling yourself, yeah, that's a big silver. But nope. Yeah, I've had to change the frequency of the machine now from multi down to, well, I tried 15 kilohertz, and now I'm on 20 kilohertz, simply because it's starting to get a bit erratic because of that mobile phone mast. But anyway, signal in the hole, and is part of a broken buckle. So that's 4 and apart buckles. Okay, catch you in a bit. Okay, nice little shoe buckle. Let me get this into the light. Nice shape on it, unusual. It's a bit warped, obviously, but unfortunately I got a little bit frustrated in the hole because I didn't know what it was, and I'm the one that gave that clean break, unfortunately. But yeah, nice find. Okay, answers on a postcard, peeps. Haven't got a clue what this is. This thing rotates. Anybody know? No need to guess what this is there? Oh, come back. Look at the size of that. That's a honker, isn't it? I'm losing count of buckles. Okie dokie. I'll do a roundup now, and I'm working my way back to the car now. And obviously, if there is another find between here and there, you'll see it. But it's been a day of the buckles. I got 3 coins, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 5 sort of D buckles and a shoe buckle. I've got that lantern, oil lamp, kerosene, paraffin lamp thingy. The part of the buckle, and all the usual gubbins, and an evil one. They do crop up, and this weird thing. So if someone does know what that is, let me know, because I haven't got the foggiest. Yeah, I've been twinkering around on the machine. I've been going from 5 kilohertz, 15, 20, 40 multi, because I'm very close to this mast. And yeah, you know, it's been interesting. I've been using field 2 for a bit, gone back to field 1, so you know, I'm still tinkering about. I may do a factory reset on this when I go home, and you know, change things around for the next hunt. But as for today, unless there's another find, that's it. That's a wrap. Catch you on the next.